We have a Carrier Infinity system, and just about every day in the summer the system stops cooling and there is an error message on the control panel that says system fault, 81 thermal, lockout in low stage 4 hours. We have had the company that installed out to look at it multiple times, but they do not know what to do.
Do you know the model of your Carrier HVAC unit?
Looking at the owner's manual trying to find it.
What have you tried so far with your Carrier unit?
Replacing the filter, changing the temp it's cooling to.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I think that's it.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Heating and air conditioning has been my specialty for 46 years, so not much I can't solve if given the opportunity. Thermal lockout is normally caused by one of the following. 1. Overcharge. 2. Outdoor coil dity. 3. Outdoor fan stopping. 4. Restriction in refrigerant flow. Since this is only ding this in cool mode and is not failing consistently, I suspect the metering device in the indoor coils is sticking occasionally. I would suggest, if they cannot imitate the problem when on site, to replace the indoor metering device at evaporator.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.